Alright, hi guys. Welcome to another video. I mean, it's been so long since I've done one of these videos, you know? Oh, you don't know? Okay, so this is another tag video. I guess I'll be spreading these out, so I'll always have content for you guys. But I like talking because I'm home alone. Oh my god. Because I'm home alone, I just wanna, you know, make use of me doing talking videos and everything. Because tomorrow when I film, I'm going to have to do a video where I have to play a song. And if I have to play a song all the time, you probably get bored. I don't want that. Okay, so hi, my name is LyricRochester. Welcome to another video. This is my third video for today. Filmed this tutorial, then one tag video, and yeah, so I'm doing another tag video because I'll be leaving shortly, and I will be filming while I'm over there, but I need to get my bearings first. So I like to have videos set up for you guys. And as I was saying, I want to do like 3 videos a week at max, 4, probably like a bonus video on a given Sunday or a Saturday or something. So this is the 50 questions you've never been asked YouTube tag, and I just, as I say, I just Google them. What's your favorite candle scent? I love it's from Bath and Body Works. It's the green one that smells like peppermint. It's the one, the stress relief one, that green stress relief one. Favorite scent. What female celebrity do you wish was your sister? Rihanna. What male celebrity do you wish was your brother? Blood cleanse. Ah! Will Smith. Ooh, I just screamed when I thought about him because he's just a nice man. I love my husband. I love you, baby. Aw, my man. What celebrity? Oh, I already turned it. Yeah. How old do you think you'll be when you get married? Boo! I'm already married and I'm 33 this year. Right? About 1985. Yes. 8, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'll be 33 this year. Alright. Do you know a hoarder? Yes. My mother. Can you do a split? No, I cannot. How old are you when you learn to ride a bike? I don't remember. I don't remember how old I was when I learned how to like rollerblade. I don't remember. How many oceans have you swum in? Not a lot. Hold on. Duns River, Elsha, Sugarman, no, probably 10, 5, I don't know. Because when I went to Curacao, that was years ago though, girl, I have never seen a beach so pure and beautiful. It looks man-made. That shit's clean. How many countries have you been to? I've been to Curacao. I've been to the US. That's it. That is it. And I'll be going to St. Thomas a couple weeks from now, like a month from now, for the hurricane relief, the mission trip that I've been talking to you guys about. And I'll link the GoFundMe account in the description bar as well. We're trying to raise 5,000. If you want to go ahead and watch the video, that's linked with the GoFundMe account. You can watch it. And also, if you can support, please go ahead and support. What is going on? Aww. Sorry guys, encouraging my husband. You deserve it. You deserve it. So how many is anyone in your family in the army? Well, my daddy was in the army. My real daddy. What would you name your daughter if you had one? Harmony Grace Henry. That's, by the way, Jermaine named her years ago, so that's gonna be her name when she comes out my vagina. Harmony Grace Henry, you stop the crying right now, you beautiful human being. She came from my vagina. Hopefully next year. Yes, I want to get pregnant real quick. I'm pushing 35, honey. I can't be old and now, honey. She ain't cute. Just ain't cute. What would you name your son if you had one? Excuse me, dirty stinking summer. My son name is Jonathan Zamar Henry. We know about my sexy body Jonathan. We know about good body blood clean Jonathan. We know about up body Jonathan. What you know? Nothing. Right. Rude. Naughty. Okay. What's the worst grade you've ever got in a test? 0. What did that tag here? What was your favorite TV show when you were a child? Very good question. I love the Lizzie McGuire show. Loved Even Stevens. These are all Disney movies, which explains how I am today. Ravens, that's a raven, that's a future I can see, that's a raven. What did you dress up as on Halloween when you were 8? We don't do, well, times have changed, but I don't do Halloween here in Jamaica, so I've never worn a Halloween costume. I've never attended a Halloween party before. Have you read any of the Harry Potter, Hunger Games, or Twilight series? Read? No. Would you rather have an American accent or British accent? Oh, British, it sounds more colorful. Hello. Hey darling, I'm not quite sure, or I'm not sure if you want me to be talking like this or with an American accent. It's quite difficult actually to go in and out of it, you know. I have to be doing it for probably a couple of minutes or so for me to get, you know, a little bit better at it. I remember once I went to Dan's River here in Jamaica and I had this exact accent and I fooled everybody. Or sometimes I can have an American accent, but I kind of sound like a white girl, so I definitely would choose the British one, you know. So, did your mother go to college? Yeah. Are your parents still married? No. Are your grandparents still married? No. Have you taken any karate lessons? No. What's the first amusement park you've ever been to? Never been to an amusement park. Oh, Coney Park. That's the only park I've ever been to, Coney Park. Until we go on our family vacation this September. We're going to, I think we're going to Orlando something. I don't know if it's Disneyland or Disney World. Whichever one that's in Orlando, that's where we'll be going to. And I'm geeked. Like, that's what I'm getting my body right for September, for my anniversary. And for September, honey. Because, you know, I want to feel comfortable in like a two-piece. And it's just a nice goal to have. And it's all the way in September, I have time. What language besides your native language would you like to be fluent in? Bella. Italian. It sounds fun. It sounds colorful. You know, the when they go up at the end, it sounds fun, so definitely Italian. My battery's dying. Do you spell the color as gray with an E or gray with an A? A when it's somebody's name, E when it's the color. Is your father bald? Yes. Do you know triplets? No. Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook? Ooh. Titanic or, oh shit, my battery died. Titanic or The Notebook? I can't decide. I'm sorry. Have you ever had Indian food? I think so. What's the name of your favorite restaurant? Keith. Have you ever been to Olive Garden? Never. I would love to. Do you belong to any warehouse stores? Costco, BJ's? Nope. What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? I have no idea. I didn't ask. If you have a nickname, what is it? Pumpkin, Simmy, Slimone, as Shavol so affectionately calls me. Who's your favorite person in the world? That's a dumbass question. I have more than one, obviously. Jonathan. Jonathan, my husband, my brother, my sister-in-law, my mommy. That's bullshit. My family. Would you rather live in a rural area or the suburbs? I don't know what that means. Rural means country, suburbs mean built up. Built up. Can you whistle? Do you sleep with a nightlight? No. Do you eat breakfast every morning? No. Do you take any pills or medication daily? No. What medical conditions do you have? What the hell? I have hyperhidrosis, I think. I sweat a lot. How many times have you been to a hospital? Cannot count. Have you ever seen Finding Nemo? Yes. Where do you buy your jeans? I don't buy jeans. What's the last compliment you got? You look good. My husband said that to me. Do you usually remember your dreams in the morning? No. The flavored tea you enjoy? Coffee. How many pairs of shoes do you currently own? About 15. And not shoes. I'm thinking slippers. Shoes, those are sneakers. One pair of shoes. sound weird. They said shoes, not sneakers or slippers or flats or whatever. It was specific. It said shoes, and I only have one pair of shoes. What religion will you raise your children to practice? It's not a religion, it's a lifestyle, Christianity. How old were you when you found out that Santa wasn't real? I never believed in Santa Claus. I live in Jamaica. That nigga don't come here. Why do you have a Tumblr? I do not. 50 questions down. Battery's about to die, but I made it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Oh, I love these talking videos so much. I wish I could do more. Plus, my eye makeup today is killer. Wouldn't you say? I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh, blood cleanse me just have one all. I don't need respect, I'm the threat. Tell them I'm so free, I got no chains on me.